So we got the chip fan in the machine. We got a part underneath it to see how well it does. We're going to start at 2000 RPM. So S2000. Ready, set, go. So not doing a whole lot. Let's go to 4000. So you can see it's stirring the coolant. Let's move it off a little bit. Okay, we're starting to blow some stuff. Let's go to 6000. Definitely louder. Definitely blowing off the table. Look at that. We got some action. I'm hearing some chips sting around. Let's go to 8000. Definitely a lot of movement now. I got the door cracked so I can try and reach in. Let's go to 9000. So it's quite loud, still blowing. I'm going to move it away from some stuff for a second. Make sure we're staying on cue. Sorry if the view's not great. Like I said, I can't really see the camera that well. Trying to keep myself safe. Let's go to 10,000. $11,000. $12,000. Full speed. 15,000. So that worked insanely well. I am very impressed. So honestly, I was hoping I could show you guys a video of a fan blowing up, but I ran this thing at 15,000 RPM and it is still intact. Looks fine. It actually blows off the table pretty nice. I didn't move it around a whole lot. I was just trying to keep the camera focused on the fan. But there you go. This is a pretty great 3D fan. I'll share the link for where I found it on Printables. I didn't design this. I found somebody else who did it. And this is out of PLA. This is out of Tough PLA. Impressive.